Hello Vlogters! We're now unboxing the most awaited 2018 Starbucks Planner. Now since it's challenging natanggalin yung plastic cover, meron pala siya dito sa gilid. Na-notice ko lang kanina. So pwede mong ganyanin para mabilis. This is the box. Actually, it's just similar to last year's box. Ayan. It looks so sophisticated and bagay na bagay sa mga nagtatrabaho sa corporate world. Ganda. What's inside? So, first page, you can see personal information. That's your name, phone number, email address, emergency contact. So, in case na mawala yung, planner, at least they can easily find you. And on the second page, you can see brief history about Starbucks Philippines, knowing that Starbucks celebrating its 20 years in the Philippines. So, tingnan natin. Ayan. So, they've included the Starbucks card, special edition, Pilipinas nakalagay dyan. At nakaka-proud kasi I'm from Zamboanga, so they've added a special touch of a Vinta. It's a small boat of tribe from Zamboanga or Sulu Archipelago. We call them dito mga Badjao, but we call them Samal din sa amin. Ayan, ganda. So you just need to have this registered through Starbucks website, and then you can have it activated. And on the next page, you can see the entire 2018 calendar. Yeah. At next page, of course, so every month may feature silang normally mga celebration per month. So for January, it's of course New Year's Day. So yan yung design. So different translation of Happy New Year from different countries. Ayan. Ayan. Things to do. So yan. So napakabagay din sa mga nagtatrabaho sa corporate world. Diba? Pag may mga meetings kayo. And of course, this is where you go to add notes, your notes pag may mga meetings. And of course, kung dati may pen kang dala kasi useless. Diba? So, next month will be February. So, of course, pag Feb, araw ng mga puso, Valentine's Day. So, sa mga single dyan, huwag na pumasa, maghanap na ng ibang lalaki. Okay? So, yan. So, sa pinakadulo, you can see the coupons. Okay, let's see anong meron this January. So I have one for you, one to share. So purchase any espresso beverage and receive a second espresso beverage of equal or lesser value on us. So buy one take one. So pag may mga dates kayo this January, so pwede mo siyang ayan sa Starbucks. That's it. This is how to assemble the desk calendar. I teach you how to use this stencil. Madali lang naman actually siya. Kunin mo lang, tanggalin mo, tapos kuha ka ng papel. I'll teach you how to maximize your planners or how to actually use them. So dito yung notes nyo. So pag may mga meetings kayo, sulat nyo dyan. So yan, tapos like today is January 6, so I'm unboxing planner. So pwede mo siyang ilagay dito as checklist. So normally nalagay ko lang siya dito sa gilid. Tapos unboxing Starbucks. Since tapos yung pag-unbox ko, so hindi ko lang siya check. So kung may mga kailangan pa rin gawin for the entire day, so ilalagay nyo siya para hindi siya makalimutan. So this is for, beginners, yung mga first time na magkaroon ng planner. That's a wrap, everyone. Thanks for watching the entire video of unboxing this 2018 Starbucks planner. So I have good news for you for those who have not completed their Starbucks stickers. Starbucks has this one. a treat for you. Get 2 planner stickers for every purchase of any handcrafted beverage from January 8 to 12 from 3 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. So promo is valid in all stores, maximum of 2 purchased beverages per customer per transaction. Okay, so you could now complete yours. You could now have your own Starbucks planner. Okay, so that's a wrap, everyone. Thanks for watching, and you may follow us on our social media accounts. I'll have the link below. And this is JL. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Happy New Year.